everybody, welcome to my channel, Dreaming of Disney 24/7. If you're new here, if you just recently subscribed, stumbled across me, then hi, my name is Rachel and I like to vlog all things Disney, and this is your lucky day. If you're not new here, then welcome back, and I hope you enjoy this vlog, as anyone who watches it. So a few weeks ago I posted I became a brand rep for a company called Mainstreet Magic Makes. A few weeks ago I did an unboxing for them, so she sent me some stuff. There was like hair clips, there was phone grips, key rings, a few other bits and pieces. So obviously, like I say, become a brand rep for them, so she sent me a few more bits and pieces. So in this box, I haven't got a clue what's in it, so I'm really excited to show you. So obviously what you see is what I've received the first time as well. So I have just opened it to make for ease of, so I'm going to sit there trying to pick its sellotape for 5 minutes. So I'm very excited to see what's in this box. Obviously I'll give you my code at the end of the vlog, so keep watching, and you'll be able to use my code for some discount off for your own purchases. So here we go, let's open it. Right, okay. So, little Mainstreet Magic Makes card. I'm not going to try and, it always goes blurry when I try to put it up there. So, this looks like, they just bought a brand new range of stuff out, so it looks like it's what an item from her new range. Oh my god, I think I've just seen what it is already. There's 2 items in here. So this is something I already purchased, so she obviously just sent it in all together. So look at that beautiful hair clip. Right. So if anyone you've watched my vlogs before, I've always said my favourite colour is purple. So I ordered one. Right, okay, let's see if I can ever get this right. So how pretty is that? The purple hair clip. That is gorgeous. So that's not particularly a Disney themed one, so it's just a purple one, and she has many different colours of these. So oh my god, that's beautiful. So this is going to be quite a quick vlog today. And this, oh my god, look at that headband. Oh my god. Right, okay. Let's see if I can, this camera will do this justice. Right, okay. So obviously it's a iridescent headband. She's doing these in all different sorts of colours. So if you do follow me on Instagram, obviously I post a lot of them in my stories. There's many different colours she does of them. And actually from the 1st of May, she'll have a sale on from the 1st of May to the 4th of May. Well, May the 4th, any Star Wars fans will understand the reference there, will get 15% off. Obviously you won't be able to use my code on that, but obviously I'll give you my code afterwards that you can use when obviously there's not a sale. But oh my god, how pretty is that? If I get a chance, I'll try and record a little video outside to try and get the sun on it. Right, I've decided to come outside, try and show you the headband, obviously while it's outdoors, so we can see it in its true glory. Okay, so a couple of, I don't know if it's been picked up or not. Right, okay. I mean, the colours shining off that are just amazing, aren't they? So hopefully you got a better view of it outdoors. So, and you got to see a bit of my back garden. How exciting for you all. But that is just, oh my god, that is just gorgeous. You can see the colours in that. You can see I'm wearing one of her hair clips, so if I just quickly take that out, see what it looks like on. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. My hair's probably not doing it justice. But oh my god, look at that. Sorry, I probably look a bit weird right now. But that is absolutely gorgeous. And it's really lightweight, given like how big the stones are on it. That is really, really lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy on your head or like it's hurting or digging in. So let's quickly put my hair clip back in. That's what I had last time from her. So, like I said, it's only a short one this week. So in it, the purple hair clip and this headband, absolutely stunning. Like I said, I will try and film it outside if it's sunny, but it's a bit grey at the moment to try and see the true beauty of it. But if not, if you can't see it on here, then please go and follow her on Instagram and obviously her Etsy page as well. Check them out because she posts some really nice videos of all the headbands. reflected in the sun, so you can really see how gorgeous it is, but just beautiful. And one thing I actually did buy the other week from her, which I did forget to post, so that was, sorry about that. I recently brought this. So this is another clip from the 50th anniversary for Walt Disney World. So I love anything 50th anniversary themed, absolutely gorgeous. So obviously this will be to help clip my hair back when it gets a bit too much. But yeah, really love her stuff. So please check out her Instagram and her Etsy page. So also, obviously, like I said, brand rep. So my discount is Rachel 10. So if, obviously you get your 10% off. Obviously while that sale's on, that won't work. So you can get 10% off once the sale is over. But please go check her out, because her stuff is just incredible. And it's really reasonably priced as well. Especially like, I think all the work that goes into these, and they're all pre-ordered as well. And like, there's so many different colours. I mean, just look, gorgeous. Gorgeous. And even more gorgeous. So I hope the camera is doing this justice, because it'd be a real shame if it doesn't. But like, you can see all the different colours bouncing off. So yeah, please go and check out her shop. Absolutely amazing. So thank you so much, Lindsay, for these amazing products. And check out her shop. Do it. Use Rachel 10 for your 10% discount, or if not, get 15% off this weekend for her sale. So thank you for watching this short vlog. You haven't had to listen to me waffle on as much. Hopefully soon we'll be doing some like outdoor vlogs and family vlogs again, because I'm just really missing not going out for days out. Hopefully we have some stuff coming up soon. Nothing's been planned as of yet, but I'm always working on plans for something. I'm always looking at booking days out, and just old Captain Sensible stops me and goes, oh, we can't go out properly yet, but we'll see about that, won't we? So anyway, thanks for watching this vlog. Please go and check Mainstreet Magic Makes out. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to see what we've got coming up next. Hopefully some days out soon. And yeah, thanks for watching as always, and I'll see you next week for another vlog. Take care, have a great week, and bye. Have a nice bank holiday.